What if I told you that with just a few simple DIY tricks, you could turn your kid's room into a vibrant, fun-filled space where creativity thrives? Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because in this video, we're about to make it happen. And don't worry, these ideas are easy, budget-friendly, and guaranteed to impress your little ones. Quick question: when's the last time you walked into your kid's room and thought, wow, this place could be in a magazine? If not, let's change that right now. Idea 1. DIY wall art. Let's start with the walls. Plain walls are like blank canvases just waiting to tell a story. Grab a canvas or even some cardboard, splash on some bold colors, and create designs that scream personality. These DIY wall art pieces can transform the room instantly. No professional skills required. Imperfections? They make it unique and personal. But what about all those toys lying around? Don't worry, we've got a solution for that. Idea 2. DIY storage bins. Storage bins don't have to be boring. Take some old boxes, wrap them in colorful paper, or paint them with your child's favorite patterns. Add labels like toys, books, or art supplies to keep things organized. These bins not only make tidying up fun, but also teach your kids the importance of staying organized. And here's a pro tip: make it a game. Tell your kids the toys that get sorted the fastest earn VIP storage spots. Idea 3. DIY string lights. Now, let's add a touch of magic with DIY string lights. Take some fairy lights, wrap them in colorful tissue paper or cupcake liners, and drape them around the bed or desk. These lights aren't just decorations, they set the mood for bedtime stories, creative play, or even quiet moments of reflection. But wait, we've saved the easiest and most creative idea for last. You don't want to miss it. And there you have it. A kid's room that's fun, functional, and full of personality. Remember, it's not just about decorating, it's about creating a space where your child feels happy and inspired every day. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't stop here. Click on the video on your screen to learn about the power of compounding. It's a financial trick that can help you create a wealthier, more secure future for your family. See you there.